that be correct?
Yes,
I was
sir.
told to say that.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on up and make ready. Drop your hammer. Drop your hammer. Okay. You can be on fire, but the hammer's got to be.
All right.
Okay, just start right in front of me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. And finished. Unload, show clear. Okay, both take a look. Okay, slide it forward. Pull the trigger for me. Hammer down and hold. Yep, you're good. Hold.
Okay.
Range is clear. 5502. Reason we have you pull the trigger when you do it that way, if we both miss the live round in the chamber, it goes safely down.
Okay.